guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys. My husband actually purchased the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Can Come True collection, like gift set box, and gave it to me as a early kind of Christmas present. So I'm super excited today to share with you what all comes in here, kind of the reasoning why he purchased it over some of the other Sephora kind of gift boxes, advent calendar, that kind of stuff. But I am so excited to share with you guys. Let's do some swatching, first impressions, that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what is in this gorgeous Pillow Talk box, then keep watching. So like I said, my husband, if you follow me, you know I did a Sephora gift guide and wish list, and I talked to you guys about the advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury as well as a couple other gift sets that they have. So he looked a little bit more into the advent calendar, and you don't get a lot of full-size products for especially the price of the advent calendar. This is definitely a little more expensive than that, but all of these are full-size products in this box. This is again the Pillow Talk Dreams Come True, so they're pretty much whole line of Pillow Talk products. They do sell other kind of colors and things in these products, not just Pillow Talk, but that is what this collection is, which is definitely a staple. It is the lip product that I am wearing now. It is the thing that got me into Charlotte Tilbury. So we are going to unbox this, do some swatching and play, but let's open it up. So it comes with this amazing gift box. There are two drawers. Like, how cute. Can you even see that? It has like rhinestone gem drawer pulls, like a rose gold, and then the mirror is ginormous. This is a heavy duty, like legit box, perfect for the holidays. Like, I think any woman would love to get this, especially in the shade Pillow Talk, because that is just the most user friendly, like most flattering, I think, shade that will fit all skin tones. But let's see what we get. So you get two quads. I don't really know what that is, and then an eyeshadow palette. So let's pull out the quad. So this first one is Pillow Talk, their luxury palette. One of the things I love too about Charlotte Tilbury is how luxurious the packaging is. So I have not swatched these yet. How gorgeous is that palette? Like, these are totally wearable everyday kind of colors. I'll give you guys kind of a swatch. Those are what the shades look like on me. Super buttery smooth. There is a glitter right here, which is a little bit more chunkier. That is their pop shade. So they have a prime, enhance, pop, and smoke. When you get this too, in the description, it kind of tells you how to use each product, which is nice. But those are definitely like wearable colors for me on a pretty much everyday basis. So really happy about that. So the next quad is their luxurious palette of pops Pillow Talk. So this is what that one looks like, and this one you can tell is a little bit more shimmery and darker in tone. Maybe if you're going out like on a date or something. Let's give you guys a swatch. And that is what the second palette looks like. So definitely a lot darker, a lot more shimmery kind of shades, glitter shimmery shades, but still really gorgeous. And I like too that the brown has some kind of shimmer to it to help draw on the light. For me, a lot of like the dark brown outer corners, I feel like just drag down your eyes. When you have something that has that nice little glitter touch to it, it helps brighten up the eyes. So those are the two quads. This is the Pillow Talk. What are these called? I think these are their loose pigments, but look how gorgeous this packaging is. Do you guys see that? So pretty. And this is their pressed pigment. It's their pressed pigment in Pillow Talk. These remind me a lot of those L'Oreal Infallible pressed pigment shadows. Super buttery smooth here. Really pigmented, super buttery, gorgeous, pretty everyday kind of pink pop onto the eyes. So pretty. So you get that. I'm excited to play with that. The next thing that comes in the top part is their Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. So it comes with a little plastic guy in there that tells you basically it's count it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's kind of how they have this palette laid out. Looks like it's in 4 trios. You have a day, a desk, a date, and a dream look. These a swatch, so we'll do a day first. That is day. Really gorgeous shades. And we'll go into a desk, which look like all matte shades. That is desk. The next one is Date, and these definitely are a darker shades, but they're super buttery smooth. So definitely I would use those for outer look. I don't know if I would use all three of them in one look. Maybe I'll try it out in a chit chat get ready with me. And then the last one, Dream, a really fun pinky kind of purple glitter, but super pigmented, especially for the pink shades. And that is what is all in this palette. Really, really excited. But again, like I said, I do plan on probably my next video here doing a chit chat get ready with me using these products. In this one, I'm just kind of letting you guys know, do swatches and stuff and know what's in this box. But like those pink ones are so pigmented, my finger is like tinted. So that is everything on the top part of this. So this next row right here, we have a eyeliner, mascara, a blush, and then a liquid highlighter. So let's pull this out, see what they look like. So I like how they kind of separated and have the different categories, like the eyeshadow was all at the top, then you move down to your eyeliner, cheeks, and then the bottom drawer is all lip products. So this is their Pillow Talk eyeliner, bendable, blendable, and long lasting in Pillow Talk. So it is one of the pencil eyeliners you do need to sharpen. There is the swatch, and it's kind of like a purpley mauve kind of color. Like it's like Pillow Talk is different colors throughout their whole line, I've noticed. But that is really gorgeous, perfect for the fall winter time. I like how easily smooth it was to draw on my hand. I'll be excited to play with this on my eyes soon. Then the mascara, I am in need for a new mascara. If y'all have been following me, I've been using the Essence one. So that one is coming to the end of it. So I will try this one next. This is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. So gorgeous. And this is in their shade Super Black. So it is a interesting kind of shaped brush. So I don't actually like even know how to say what the shape is. It's kind of like a diamond, but a flat diamond, if that makes sense. But I'll be really interested to try this mascara out this month. Let you guys know. So again, stay tuned for the chit chat get ready with me. Then I've been dying for one of these. This is the Cheek to Chick Pillow Talk Swish and Glow blusher. These just look so fun. So this is the outer packaging, again tortoiseshell, kind of so pretty. And then that is what the blush looks like. And what you're supposed to do is take your blush brush, swish it around, and then pop, so you kind of get that highlight effect on your blush without like fully putting highlight all over as a topper for your blush. So really excited to play with that soon. So I'll just do them separately. So swish, there's the blush, and then if you pop over it, that's what it kind of looks like. So kind of similar probably to the look of like an Hourglass Ambient Lighting blush, which are my favorite blushes. Kind of the same kind of effect with doing the swish and pop of just a little bit of the highlight over it is probably the similar look. Not saying they're the same or a dupe or anything like that, but I'm excited to play with something like that since I love Hourglass blushes. So next thing is their highlighter. This is their Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter Illuminator. So this is a sponge tip applicator. So right now the product is off and no product will come out. If you twist this, you'll see kind of the gap right there. It is on. So I'll go ahead and swatch a little bit of it and you can squeeze it out. Then I can even hear like air is coming out. Let's see too, with this too, how much product you actually are getting. I mean, it's like almost half before you can feel it starting to come out. That is so pretty right there. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love highlighters and just pretty much in general, any kind of makeup product that helps enhance your look versus overpower it. And that is why Charlotte Tilbury is definitely one of those companies for me that I am drawn to, similar to like Hourglass. And they do too, I don't know if you can see, there's a little arrow guide that lets you know if it's off or on. So that's pretty neat. But yeah, I love when products help enhance your look versus like overpower, overshadow your natural beauty. So that is what has drawn me to Charlotte Tilbury. Not sponsored by this. Like I said, my husband did purchase this for me. But, I mean, Charlotte Tilbury, if you're watching and you want to add me to your PR list, P.O. Box is down below. But, okay, next drawer is their lip products. Lippies. all of the fun stuff. So let's get into it. I will say too, with the eyeliner, I just used my like baby wipe on my hand to try and get all of that eyeshadow off like I've been doing. And the eyeliner is smudge proof, so that is amazing. Highly recommend already. I love when eyeliners pass my smudge test, even with a wet wipe. That is great. So I'm excited to play with that on my eyes and see how that lasts. But here is their Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in Pillow Talk. And really smooth, same as the eyeliner in application. You will have to use a pencil sharpener with this one, but love the color. It's very similar to like the color of their Pillow Talk lipstick. They do have a Pillow Talk lipstick in, I think this is just their matte. I do have this one already. It is actually what I'm wearing now, so I don't want to pull out this other one quite yet because I am still currently working on the other one. This next one, packaging is so gorgeous. This is their, I think it's just a lip gloss. I'll have it right here what it is, but look at the packaging. Sparkly pink glitter top and the initials down there. So great. And what I like too about the sparkly green, it's not like the flake off kind, like it's super Mod Podged on. So let's just apply this on top of my lipstick. Like I said, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I don't have the liner on, but I want to apply some of this on the middle. What do you guys think? I'm so excited. There is the swatch of the lip gloss, and you can see it does have some little sparkle flecks in there, but nothing that is like super thick. I can't feel it on my lip, and just a nice enhancement to the lip gloss. So excited. I know I need to stop saying that, but I'm really excited. Y'all would be excited too, right? So then here is, I think this is their lip stain in Pillow Talk. And it's a very unique kind of applicator. Kind of looks like a heart. It is right here. It looks a little bit darker, but still kind of in the same family tone. It definitely looks like a lip gloss, but without the sparkles like the other one. So it's nice, you can kind of tell the difference with their packaging. This one is sparkly lip gloss. This one is more of just like the plain nude color. And then we have this one little guy right here, and this is definitely smaller in packaging to the other ones. Maybe this is a lip stain. I'm like thinking there's a lip stain in here. Now this looks like a lip gloss too. So we'll swatch it right here. And that one is definitely more rich in pigment and less in the shine. Like these definitely are like shiny lip glosses, and that's more like a matte lip gloss. Definitely something I would wear a whole lot more, especially right now. That's something I've been drawn towards. And then this last thing, is this little guy right here. I think this is their Slim lipstick, and that's what that one looks like. And this definitely gives a kind of glossy sheen too, but in lipstick form. Not as kind of glossy as the other ones, but still has that kind of sheen, if you can tell. So yeah, that is everything that is in the Pillow Talk Dreams Come True collection you can get. I believe this is only available right now on Charlotte Tilbury's website, so I'll try and link it down for you guys who are interested. I will be doing some chit chat get ready with me's and product reviews of these as I continue to kind of play with them a little bit more. I did want to give you guys a first impression and kind of swatch video to let you guys know I will be playing with a lot of these products in this upcoming month. Let me know if you have tried any of these products down below in the comments. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm